Did you know you can make the most incredible creamy garlic pasta in just 8 minutes? Seriously, 8 minutes. Hey FactBite Daily fam, welcome back. Today, we're diving into some serious one-pot magic that will change your weeknight dinner game forever. This isn't just fast, it's restaurant-quality good. So, what do you need? It's super simple. Grab about 8 ounces of your favorite spaghetti, 4 cloves of garlic sliced nice and thin, and half a cup of heavy cream. That's pretty much it for the basic version. First things first, get that spaghetti into a pot of boiling salted water. We're going to cook it for about 6 to 7 minutes, just until it's al dente. Now, here's the crucial part. Before you drain it, save about half a cup of that starchy pasta water. This stuff is liquid gold, trust me. It's the secret to a silky smooth sauce. Once your pasta is drained, put the pot back on medium heat. Now, add your sliced garlic and that glorious heavy cream right into the pot with the pasta. Give it all a good stir for about a minute. You'll see the creamy sauce start to thicken up beautifully, clinging to every single strand of spaghetti. It's happening, people. The magic is real. After a minute, turn off the heat completely. This next step is optional, but I highly recommend it. Stir in a 1/4 cup of freshly grated Parmesan cheese. Because the heat is off, the cheese will melt perfectly into the sauce without getting clumpy or greasy. It just becomes one with the creaminess. Finally, season with a little salt and freshly cracked black pepper to your taste. And that's it, you are done. In literally 8 minutes, you have a bowl of pasta that is absolutely divine. Seriously, this is a pro-level tip. That Parmesan upgrade takes this dish from great to pure heaven. Don't skip it if you can help it. Just look at this. It's silky, it's garlicky, and it tastes like something you'd pay good money for at a fancy Italian restaurant. The best part is, you made it in your own kitchen in less time than it takes to decide what to watch on Netflix. You have to make this tonight. Let me know in the comments if you added the cheese or any other fun mix-ins. And if you loved this quick recipe, do me a huge favor and smash that like button, subscribe to FactBite Daily, and ring that notification bell so you never miss our daily tips and tricks. We'll see you tomorrow with another awesome fact.